So I got a new bowl because it makes sense. So what this is, it's my formula sheet where I write my ingredients for my products. So I already wrote my ingredients for my perfume oils. So wrote my ingredients for them. Now we're gonna write. Now I written my ingredients for my body oil. Now we're about to make my body oil. So this time we're gonna I want to use the tablespoon, but I'm feeling like we need the other ones. Feel like we need the other ones. Feel like it. Feel like it. We need the cups. This one is the 1 cup. This is 1.5 cup. This is 1/3, 1/4. So I don't think I need the 1 full cup. So we're gonna do 1.5 cups. Do I gotta open this? We're gonna do 1.5 cups of almond oil. One and a half cup of avocado oil. One and a half cup There's no room to put it. There's no room to put it. Then we're gonna go back and do chat. I'm gonna do a little bit more vitamin E. Get y'all. So we did two and a half of that one. Okay. Oh, I gotta bring them back out. And we're doing a cookie and cream one. Okay. Ooh. I'm smelling it, but I feel like I gotta add like a little more. I don't want to oversaturate. So let's see. Yeah, I'm smelling it. I'm gonna do another Now, definitely tomorrow when I'm making the sugar scrub and what's not so good. While I'm making the sugar scrub and the body oil, I mean sugar scrub and the excuse me, y'all. I'll get back, you guys. All right, I got my little show on. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. It's cold. I just want to show y'all how long it's gonna take me to fill up all these droppers. I'm filling up so many. And I'm gonna tell y'all why. I have learned if I put out less products, I won't have to feel like I'm wasting much product. So I'm going to make backup because I'm pushing this out. Like I'm really pushing myself more to just sit here and make a few products and then have your restock. And then when I do inventory, because I'm gonna do one big inventory where I should have my new drawers to do that. Because I don't move on. I'm not doing spring. I'm not doing so much holidays events. I do the main big ones, but I'm not doing like so many holidays. Summertime, yes. I'm gonna get planned because I have to do my anniversary business, and that is in June. So that will be my second year I've been in business. And then again, I don't want to fill these so much. Like me doing this, I done fill up like 2 already. If y'all hear stuff in the background, watching my show. I gotta wipe these down because they are getting oil on them. Oil residue on them. I gotta wipe it down. So where did I do my... Then I did 1.5 for the fragrance. So I did 1.5 cups of almond oil and 1.5 cups of apricot oil, 1.5 cups avocado, and then we did 1.5 of vitamin E. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm not gonna make this any longer. I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm gonna continue filling up these. I just want to show y'all how to make stuff, and then to also don't mind the oils in my paper. I am mad. But how to go on Canva and make you a formula sheet so that you have it, so that you have every document of what you made. Please don't mind this oil stain. I don't even know how I got it up there, but yeah, you guys. So I will be back with another video, and I see y'all in another video. Bye.